Hi there, welcome to CARGOFAN, Freight Analysis Network, a global digital platform built exclusively for the logistics industry to close the gaps that still separate manufacturers, freight owners, carriers, warehouses, and brokers. Our goal is simple but ambitious: to unite every participant in the supply chain inside one integrated ecosystem, a living, connected network for worldwide freight. CARGOFAN is designed to redefine logistics through integration and cooperation, not automation. We connect the companies and people who move the world's goods, uniting manufacturing, transport, storage, customs, and talent into one professional network. Our vision is a logistics world that is transparent, connected, and efficient, where every participant benefits from visibility and trust. Join CARGOFAN, Freight Analysis Network, and become part of the world's most connected logistics ecosystem, linking manufacturers, carriers, warehouses, brokers, and professionals across land, sea, and air.